So, Nicole McRee, I am in Killdeer, District 96, and someone has been doing the ExploraVision program for several years. I would venture at 7 or 8, if I can think about it, and we've really appreciated the opportunity. So my team was really motivated from the start. So they knew right away what project they wanted to do. They had a family member who was going through some trauma with wildfires, and this was something that kind of rocked their household and their immediate family. And so they brought that information to their friends, and we're talking about that in the neighborhood, and it sparked, well, what are we going to do about it? And we went straight to the ExploraVision. So they didn't spend as much time brainstorming as we probably typically would see. However, they were really gung-ho to figure something out that could be helpful in the future for all of the millions of families that were affected. Yeah, so in this case, these students formed their team themselves. They're very like-minded. They live close to one another, so the proximity was really nice. And their parents are all incredibly supportive of scientific thinking, and so they naturally kind of went together. They worked as a group not only with this kind of cohort of student, but also with the 7th through 9th grade kids. And so they kind of had a larger group to start with. And then we split ideas so that they all were working together and collaborating and bouncing ideas off of one another in a larger group, because the more brains, the better it is. And so that's how they got to their idea quickly. So as a coach for the Drone Ranger team, I kind of went for some students that were super interested and engaged in scientific concepts. We have a Science Olympiad team, we have a Scholastic Bowl team, and this group of students, as the science specialist for the school district, I was able to kind of reach out to some of those groups and see if it would be appropriate for them to jump in and get involved in the programming.